Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Shukrana Guruji. So I'm Anjali and मैं इंडिया से हूँ and I'm visiting my children here. I come here every year. This is the first time that I'm coming to Guruji का मंदिर यहाँ पे. मुझे नहीं पता था and even this is his, I mean probably he wanted to call me and this was the time when he wanted me to come here and seek his blessings and connect my children to him. गुरुजी यही चाहते होंगे एंड तो मैं इंडिया में जब यहाँ आने के लिए थी तो आई हैपन टू मीट समबडी whom I didn't know before and though I have been connected to Guruji in India, I go to Bade Mandir often whenever he calls me and she just I met her and we were just talking and she said I mentioned that I'm going to US, Jersey City, my children and all, and she says, oh acha, okay. And then she said, do you know there is a very beautiful mandir there in she gave me the address, she told me verbally, and I was like, oh wow, I would like to go. If Guruji wants, I'll definitely visit. And I came here last month and I was here and then I suddenly remembered Aarti ji ka number mujhe diya gaya tha. I connected with her and she said, why do, I said I want to come on Sunday and is there a satsang or something? She says, yeah, Sunday we have satsangs and this is the time, and she shared the flyer with me. So Shukrana Guruji and thank you for calling me here. I would like to share how I connected with Guruji. Some of my friends already, were connected with him for years while he was in his chola also. And there have been miracles which have happened. One of my friends, she was a 4th stage cancer patient, and how she survived. While he was in his chola, he had identified a few aunties and uncles while they were in his satsang and showed them that the Bada Mandir hai, yahan pe I'm planning to make a room where all aunties, cancer patient aunties could be treated, and this is a room where all, just at random from the gathering, he had just picked up a couple. And incidentally, this was before Guruji left his chola, and after 4-5 years, this auntie ji, who's my friend, she got a cancer, and while the cancer was detected, it was at the 4th stage, and doctors had said not more than 3 months for her. And miraculously, as Guruji had said, that treatment hoga aur sab theek ho jayenge. Now it's been like 10 years, and there is no trace of cancer within 3-4 years, which were really traumatic. She went through all the chemotherapies and surgeries, and now she is cancer free and leading a very, very healthy, and there is no iota of cancer in her. So Shukrana Guruji, that's one of the miracles. And I came in contact with her, and I got to know, and I visited Guruji in Bade Mandir. This was in 2016, 15-16 sometime. And then suddenly one day I felt that Guruji ne mere ghar aana chahiye. I don't know, उनका स्वरूप ही नहीं मेरे पास, and how do I get it? सब लोग कहते थे कि बड़े मंदिर से कईयों को स्वरूप मिले, bracelets मिले, this that. I said, जब मैंने सिर्फ मन से बोला गुरुजी घर आइए. And there's this friend of mine, her friend, I don't know her, and she knows, we know that, yeah, we know each other by name, and she somehow went to this friend of mine and she got a swaroop from the temple, and she said, I want to give this to Anjali. I'm Anjali. Anjali auntie ko dena hai mujhe. And that swaroop came to me. It was a calendar ka this thing, and she got it from Bade Mandir. And the swaroop of Guruji was very beautiful. All his swaroops are very good, but this swaroop was a side face with his hand like this. You all would have seen. And unko swaroop dekh ke mujhe bahut acha laga. I was filled with so much of I was so thankful, and I said, but Guruji, aap agar mere taraf dekhte hue swaroop mein hote to kitna acha tha. And that was fine. I told my husband, get this framed if you can from good this thing and all. So he took this and he gave it to the person who would frame it for me, for us. And Guruji ne जब वो फ्रेम होके आया, आई मीन आफ्टर 4-5 days when he went to pick up the स्वरूप, he didn't remember how the स्वरूप was, and उसने कहा कि ये मैंने फ्रेम करने को दिया था and all गुरुजी का, and he packed it and gave it to him. And when it came to me, the स्वरूप was this. This is the Swaroop that I got. It got exchanged, Jai Guruji, and this is exactly, and see how he's blessing me. This is the exact Swaroop that I had got of him. And that was, I mean, it just got exchanged, which was such a miracle. I mean, I just, मन में मेरे एक बार ही आया था कि गुरुजी अगर ऐसे देखते हुए, सामने देखते हुए होते तो कितना अच्छा था. I mean, even this is nice, and I mean, this is the kind of blessing, and this is how he listens to you. He is always listening to me, I mean, to us, all of us. I mean, we just need to surrender. We just need to be in Shukrana. That's what I keep, I mean, I have realized. And that's what Auntie was also saying, that, I mean, you have to be thankful to him, and you have to be completely surrendered. He listens to you. Whatever, even if it crosses your mind, it is him who's there listening. If you are in full surrender. Jai Guruji. Thank you so much. Shukrana Guruji. Anybody else would like to share satsangs?